This is how much I've made this month doing CPA marketing on Maxbounty. Let me refresh real quick. As you see, everything's still the same. And guys, I kid you not, it's amazing. And you know, making money online is very real. It's as real as it gets. In this video, I want to share with you the exact strategies I'm doing that I recommend for anyone. The exact strategies of how you can make like a killing online. This is just one of my income streams. And I know you guys like to see updates of it all the time. So here you go. And let's dive into the video. This is going to be a very, very powerful video. So take notes. Welcome guys to this free training. Literally, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what the heck I do to make a killing online. So basically guys, I have several different funnels, all right? And then I have just massive free organic traffic, which is, it's a super powerful way to make money online, by the way. Just organic traffic coming to you 24/7. Then I do paid ads. So what I recommend for anyone when they first get started to make money online is get started on YouTube, okay? And that should be an obvious one. But I remember when I first started, it was not an obvious one. I would try to make money just from Instagram. I was very intimidated by YouTube. I mean, it had so many steps to it. It had so many technical things to it, I thought at least. But it's so simple, it's crazy. And any video platform in general is the most powerful platform you could do. If you want to make, I think most people want to make 100 a day, but if you want to make 1,000 a day, and this is all profit, everything I show you is all profit. What I showed you in the beginning of this video results, right before I'm sitting down here, that's all profit. That's organic traffic, okay? 100 grand plus per month is what I've been doing for a while, just from Maxbounty and growing in different areas too. Like there's some secrets to this making money online world and business in general. There are truly secrets, okay? So I'm gonna share with you exactly everything in this video. So if you wanna make money with YouTube, here's exactly what I would tell anyone, okay? Give lots of great value in whatever niche you pick. Then just sell something. And because people are getting value, and in today's world, that's how we make purchase decisions, is if the person selling to us is giving us value. If we are getting value, we want more. In the past, real quick, with paid ads, it was so easy, you know. Now that it requires more trust building, by the way, paid ads, and I'll explain that when I talk about paid ads soon in this video. But in the past, people would just run ads to like they were doing direct response marketing. That's what they were doing. They were just making money hand over fist, bro, just 24/7. They'd put money in and make huge ROIs back because no one knew what to do or how to do it. There was no competition because it was so new and it was so cheap. You know, and I'm talking about Facebook and YouTube and all these platforms that are like the tier one best platforms you could do because of the targeting and because of the mindset the users are in and because it's interruption marketing and all these different reasons. But it still works. It still works. You just need to know what to do. And that's the power of just being a learning machine and staying up to date with things. YouTube. So basically, make a lot of great content. And you know what? The more content you have, the more views you will get, which equals more money because money follows attention.